Artificial intelligence is changing the way we interact with technology, and smart AI glasses are leading this transformation. These innovative wearables combine advanced AI assistance, augmented reality displays, hands-free communication, real-time translation, navigation, photography, and entertainment into a lightweight device you can wear every day. While smartphones remain essential, the latest generation of AI glasses demonstrates how wearable technology could reshape the future of computing. In today's video, we'll explore 5 of the best AI smart glasses available in 2026, highlighting their standout features, practical uses, and why they're attracting so much attention. Stay until the end to discover which model offers the best value for your needs. Number 5. Rokid Max 2 AR Glasses. The Rokid Max 2 AR glasses combine augmented reality technology with portable entertainment and productivity features in a sleek, wearable design. They provide a large virtual display suitable for streaming videos, gaming, reading documents, and multitasking while maintaining a lightweight form factor. Comfortable ergonomics make them suitable for extended daily use, while compatibility with smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and other supported devices increases their versatility. Enhanced display quality delivers sharp visuals and immersive viewing experiences both indoors and during travel. Software improvements continue expanding functionality, helping users get more from their wearable devices over time. Although today's AI glasses still work alongside smartphones instead of replacing them completely, the Rokid Max 2 demonstrates how wearable computing is evolving toward a more hands-free and immersive future. Number 4. VITURE Pro XR Glasses. The VITURE Pro XR glasses are designed primarily for immersive entertainment and portable productivity. They create a large virtual display that makes movies, games, and work sessions feel like using a giant monitor while remaining incredibly compact. High-quality displays deliver vibrant colors, impressive clarity, and a cinematic viewing experience suitable for travel or home use. The glasses support multiple compatible devices, including smartphones, gaming handhelds, laptops, and tablets, allowing users to enjoy flexible connectivity. Their ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during longer viewing sessions, while optional accessories expand functionality even further. Although these glasses focus more on display technology than standalone AI features, they represent an important part of the growing wearable ecosystem that may eventually reduce dependence on traditional smartphone screens. Number 3. Even Reality's G1 AI Glasses. The Even Reality's G1 AI glasses focus on delivering useful smart features through a clean and minimal design. Their discrete built-in display allows users to receive notifications, view navigation directions, access real-time translations, and interact with AI-powered tools without constantly checking a smartphone screen. The glasses emphasize comfort, battery efficiency, and practical everyday usability rather than flashy augmented reality effects. Professionals, travelers, and frequent commuters may appreciate the ability to receive important information while keeping their hands free. Their AI capabilities continue expanding through software improvements, adding new functions over time. Although they are intended to complement rather than replace a smartphone today, they provide an exciting preview of how wearable AI could become a natural part of everyday life in the near future. Number 2. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses combine iconic eyewear design with modern AI-powered features, creating a wearable device that looks stylish while offering practical everyday functionality. Users can capture photos and videos hands-free, listen to music through open-ear speakers, make calls, and interact with an AI voice assistant without taking out their phone. Voice commands allow quick access to information, reminders, and messaging, making daily tasks more convenient. The lightweight frame is comfortable enough for all-day wear, and the integrated cameras help creators capture moments naturally from a first-person perspective. Privacy indicators notify others whenever recording is active, helping promote responsible use. While they still rely on smartphone connectivity for many features, they demonstrate how AI wearables are becoming increasingly useful for communication and content creation. Number 1. XREAL 1 AR Glasses. The XREAL 1 AR glasses are among the most advanced wearable displays currently available. Designed for entertainment, productivity, and immersive experiences, they feature a bright virtual display that can simulate a massive screen while remaining lightweight enough for everyday use. Whether you're watching movies, working remotely, gaming, or multitasking, these glasses provide a portable display solution without requiring a bulky monitor. Their comfortable design makes extended sessions more enjoyable, while compatibility with smartphones, laptops, handheld gaming consoles, and other USB-C devices increases their versatility. XREAL also continues improving software support through regular updates, making the overall experience smoother over time. Although they don't completely replace smartphones today, they represent a major step toward a future where wearable displays become part of everyday digital life.